Now, with 9 days to go for the first phase of Lok Sabha elections, the Congress party will release its 2019 election manifesto today. The manifesto will be released by Congress President Rahul Gandhi in the presence of top party leaders, including UPA Chairperson Sonia Gandhi and former Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh. On the occasion, the Congress will also release the party's campaign song. The manifesto will be released after 3 months-long deliberation on the manifesto by the panel headed by top party leader and former Union Finance Minister P. Chidambaram. Sources have told India Today that the likely focus of the manifesto will be special development programs and schemes under SC/ST sub-plan. The party's focus would also be on women empowerment and entrepreneurship schemes. The Congress party may also promise re-establishment of the Planning Commission and filling up of vacant government posts in its manifesto.
हम अब आपको न्याय देने जा रहे हैं। नंबर याद रखिए, 20% सबसे गरीब परिवारों को 72,000 रुपए साल का।
भाई और बहनों, 15 लाख रुपए हम नहीं दे पाए, मगर हम झूठ कभी नहीं बोलेंगे आपसे। हम सच्चाई बोलेंगे। 3.5 लाख रुपए हर परिवार के बैंक अकाउंट में 5 साल के अंदर कांग्रेस पार्टी गारंटी करके कह रही है।
हमने आपको मनरेगा कमिट करके दिया था, हमने करके दिखा दिया। अब हम आपको न्याय कमिट कर रहे हैं। हम गरीबी को हिंदुस्तान से मिटा देंगे।
पहली बात, उन्होंने आपसे यह नहीं बताया वो चौकीदार किसके हैं। किसान के घर में चौकीदार होता है? आपने किसान के घर में चौकीदार देखा कभी? किसी बेरोजगार व्यक्ति के घर में आपने चौकीदार देखा? बेरोजगार युवा के घर में चौकीदार देखा?
Now let's also listen in to what Congress General Secretary Priyanka Gandhi Vadra had said on the minimum income scheme.
कांग्रेस ने यह ऐलान किया है कि किसी भी गरीब परिवार को 72,000 रुपए से कम पैसे नहीं मिलने चाहिए एक साल में। इसका मतलब सुन लीजिए, इसका मतलब समझ लीजिए। इसका मतलब है कि अगर एक परिवार का वेतन मान लो 4,000 रुपए है, तो उसको 6,000 रुपए तक बनाने का काम सरकार का काम है। मतलब उस परिवार को का वेतन 6,000 तक करने का काम सरकार करेगी, वो भरपाई सरकार करेगी, ताकि हर साल कम से कम 72,000 रुपए हर एक परिवार को मिले।
Right. My colleague Anand Patel is now joining me live from outside the Congress headquarters in Delhi. Anand, very grand arrangements which have been made at the Congress headquarters today for the manifesto release. What does the party have up its sleeve? What will be the focus of this manifesto?
Well, yes, Paulami, you're absolutely right. Grand preparations here at the 24 Akbar Road, the AICC headquarters, and you can see the mood is electric. You know, you can see large number of party workers have also come here to be part of this big event for the Congress party ahead of the 2019 polls. And of course, the party has lined up its galaxy of leaders, apart from the Congress president himself. Former Prime Minister Manmohan Singh, UPA Chairperson Sonia Gandhi will also be there, apart from other senior party leaders. But as far as the focus is concerned, Paulami, the Congress president himself has been listing out the priorities. The first and the big one was the Nyay scheme, the universal basic scheme, and he's been saying this time and again ever since he's announced this, that this is not a jumla. And the Congress party is behind him, and all the party spokesperson have been saying this, that this is not a jumla. The party has delivered on Manrega, party has delivered on the farm loan waivers in UPA 1, which was around 80,000 crores. So this is also deliverable, it is possible. And the second big focus, the tweet yesterday, you can see what Rahul Gandhi said, that there are 22 lakh central government jobs which are still lying vacant, and they'll be filled within 1 year. So the timeline is there. The intent is being listed out, you know, by the Congress party and its president. The focus, of course, would be the youth, the jobs and the farmers. But you know, what about the issues like corruption? You know, the Congress party leaders have been saying Chaukidar Chor hai, slogans like this. But so far we've not heard much about this as to what the Congress party plans to do when it comes to power. So in the manifesto, will there be something on this corruption plank which is being propelled by the BJP Congress leaders? And also, what about the national security narrative which the BJP is trying to play out in its campaign, trying to corner the Congress party on the national security issue? So these are the two things we need to see as to what will be there in the manifesto. Everyone's waiting here. The Congress leaders I spoke to recently, they also said that we'll definitely have these two big focus items in the manifesto, but we'll have to wait till the release at 12 o'clock.
So it's not just everyone waiting at the AICC headquarters. Surely the Bharatiya Janata Party will be watching this manifesto release very closely as well. Anand, thank you so much for joining us. Now, after National Conference, Vice President Omar Abdullah's vow to restore the Prime Minister's post in Jammu and Kashmir, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has fired at the former Jammu and Kashmir Chief Minister and his opposition allies. Addressing a poll rally in Hyderabad, the Prime Minister accused the National Conference of batting for the creation of a state within a state by advocating for a separate Prime Minister's post for the state of Jammu and Kashmir. He also lashed out at leaders of the Congress, TDP, NCP, JDS and sought to know whether they support the National Conference's stand on a separate Prime Minister's post for Jammu and Kashmir or not. A defiant Omar Abdullah, meanwhile, stood by his statement, claiming the National Conference's demand is not unconstitutional. He, in fact, urged his opposition allies not to hesitate from distancing themselves from his remarks.
जम्मू कश्मीर बाकी रियासतों की तरह नहीं है। बेशक बाकी रियासत बिना शर्त करके हिंदुस्तान में मिल गए। बेशक हमने शर्त रखी, हम मुफ्त में नहीं आए। हमने अपनी पहचान को बनाए रखने के लिए आईन में कुछ चीजें दर्ज कराई। हमने कहा हमारी पहचान अपनी होगी, हमारा आईन अपना होगा, हमारा झंडा अपना होगा। हमने उस वक्त अपना सदर रियासत और वजीर आजम भी रखा था जो इन्होंने काटा। इंशाल्लाह उसको भी हम वापस ले आएंगे।
फारूक अब्दुल्ला साहब, उनके बेटे उमर अब्दुल्ला साहब की पीढ़ी प्राइवेट कंपनी, इस नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस ने बयान दिया है कि कश्मीर में अलग प्रधानमंत्री होना चाहिए। आप मुझे बताइए, कांग्रेस के साथी पार्टी की ये मांग आपको मंजूर है? हिंदुस्तान में किसी को भी मंजूर है?
Thanks for watching the video. For more such news and updates, please like, share and subscribe to India Today. Also check out our other great videos from our channel. We know you will love to.